Saw you at the hotel, right? But I had to come sometimes. I had to book a day off work because I work.
This message is for the men and women of the Toronto Police Department. We are on the same team.
Under 18 years of age, suicides are up. At emergency room. This should concern you.
Suicides and drug overdoses have well surpassed COVID-19 deaths. And of course, this is something the media conveniently tucks under the rug. But you know what's funny? That same media goes out of the way to cover stories like defund the police, or just about anything else that creates division among the police and the people they serve. But did you notice that when thousands of us walk through the streets of Toronto, as we do every Saturday, there never seems to be any cameras in sight? So what's my point? You are being played just the same as we are. The only difference is we will fall first. But I can assure you, the people who pull the strings will come for you next. Don't believe me? You might want to check out what John Reid, president of the Toronto Police Association, said on January 18th. Here's a clip of a statement via City News.
Part of the statement from the president reads, quote, "Vaccinating frontline officers will decrease this risk and reduce the strain imposed on police resources when officers are quarantined. The province is expecting vaccines to be widely available in phase 3.
Now, from what it sounds like, it won't just be the mask you'll have to worry about, but rather a rushed out the door vaccine that you'll soon be forced to take as part of your job requirement. Having said that, we've talked to enough officers to know that more than half of you want nothing to do with a multiple dose vaccine program, especially after looking into the toxic ingredients. In fact, it's not even a vaccine. It's a synthetic pathogen that induces illness. Nothing about it will stop you from transmitting anything. But without getting into the details, this is not about masks or vaccines. This is about your medical freedom and your personal rights soon to be violated. Your right to choose. Just remember, any rights taken away from us are the same rights taken away from you. The system you work for is setting you up in the same manner as the rest of us. I can assure you that what's happening today is not random. This day, and many days ahead, has been planned for quite some time. The PCR test proves undoubtedly that this so-called pandemic is completely fabricated. If you'd like to hear what other officers have to say, I implore you to check out Police on Guard for Thee. This is an organization that consists of thousands of police officers, retired and active, who strongly oppose lockdown measures. These officers are your brothers and sisters pleading that you stand down, just as thousands have done in many countries around the world. As a side note, in the non-religious protests, have you seen the violence
Marches are peaceful. We're going down. Keep moving, guys.
Small businesses closed. In fact, just in the month of January, we lost 213,000 jobs, while Walmart and Costco continued business as usual. And now we hear that these ridiculous bylaws are continuing through until June. But here's the question. Do you honestly think that they'll end this circus in June? Not a chance. How many more suicides and drug overdoses will it take until we see through the veil of deception? How many times are politicians and society change their story until we realize we need to?
If I go quiet and go spread the house, I might be done.
You won't be questioning